morning, Deliandro. Hey, Tommy. You guys have been busy, huh? A lot of work going on.
Yes. Guys are busting in. You know, we're getting everything ready for our LVLs to go up.
And walls are coming down, Tommy. So we got that open floor
bearing
plan.
walls and non-bearing walls. I mean, right here we have a temporary wall that actually is carrying the load that this wall was carrying. These other walls that came down weren't bearing, so you notice there's no temporary wall.
So what is going back up? What are you guys thinking about in terms of if a bearing wall comes down, we got to support it, right?
Yeah, we got to support it. So we have a triple beam LVL. It's going to go across, picking up a load right from that point. You know, so it's going to come up over there, picking up the load of this joist, and it's going to tie into a second beam that's going to go from the outside wall into this point over here. So this will be our second point of load.
Gotcha. So not a post here, because you want everything opened up.
Yes.
So it's got to hang off of something.
Right. Well, down below there's a bearing beam with lally columns in the basement.
Gotcha.
And because there's no lally column over there, we'll have to put one lally column or a beam or a post in the basement to support the load of that beam.
So this is obviously our material for the new beams going up.
Yes.
We got LVLs?
Yes, exactly. So for that matter, we're going to have a temporary post that's going to be right over here, holding up this beam until we get that lolly column in the basement installed.
All right. Well, you guys are ready to work. I'll join you.
All
Okay,
right,
great.
Awesome. Go start.
Want to go out? Down. Yep. All right, take the claw of your hammer and put it around the nail. Push up to make them even. Up just a hair right there. That's good. Boy, what a difference, huh?
Yeah, that looks great, right? Already.
Wide open. I like it.
It's beautiful.
Nice work, boys. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.